What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Hope you're doing well, feeling great, and enjoying freedom. It's a great day to have a great day. Today, I wanted to talk about both silver and gold, an update on spot price and some plans that I have moving forward, but I also wanted to talk about the upcoming executive order on cryptos. We're going to get into it, but really quick, just in case you're new, make sure to subscribe for daily videos, subscribe to my second channel for weekly videos, get yourself some DYDSS merchandise to help support the channel. Come and join us in the Precious Metals VIP Club for giveaways, live streams, deal alerts, and a whole lot more. And of course, go and get your 2 free stocks by downloading Webull and funding your account. The link will be in the description. So today is Thursday, February 3rd, 2022. The current spot price of silver, as I'm filming the video, is $22.11. It's down 52 cents or down 2.3%. Pretty big red day for silver. Spot price of gold is $17.94.80. It's down $11.60 or down 0.64%. And of course, the gold to silver ratio is in the 80 to 81 to 1 range. But of course, that's as I'm filming the video, not as I'm editing, posting, or as you're watching. So head on down to the comments and let me know the date and time you're viewing the video and what the current spot price is for you. I'm always curious. Okay, so in today's video, we're going to be talking quite a bit about silver and gold. As you can see on display, got some 10-ounce bars, 5-ounce rounds, some miscellaneous coins, some fractional gold down there at the bottom, even have a little piece of platinum right there, and a whole tube of Canadian maple leafs up there at the top. But before we can even get into the money, I think we need to first talk about the currency. More specifically, the digital currency, and an executive order on them. For those of you that did not know, the White House is almost ready to release an executive order on cryptos, and it could be as early as this month. Now, unfortunately, we don't know the exact date of release, and we also don't know the specific details, but we do have some information. For example, according to Bloomberg, the executive order will put the White House in charge of decision-making when it comes to new policies and regulations set for digital currencies. We also already know that for several years now, the government has been closely monitoring the crypto space and working on ways to crack down on what many see as the digital Wild West, so that transfers can be overseen and payments can be tracked. And we also know that the government has been working on their own digital currency for quite some time now, called a CBDC, which stands for Central Bank Digital Currency, which will be both centralized and regulated, which, by the way, is the exact opposite of the 2 biggest selling points of what people like about crypto. Now, unfortunately, that's all we really know so far, but that's not stopping people from theorizing and assuming what else this could result in. For example, some people believe this will be an all-out ban of crypto. I disagree. I think right now there's too much money to be made taxing it for the government to actually ban it. Some people also believe that this will be the official release of the government's CBDC, and that would likely lead to the suppression of other cryptos like Bitcoin and Ethereum. I personally disagree with that too. I feel like it's far too early, and their digidollar has a long way to go before it's ready to be released. I could be wrong, but I'm not expecting that to be anytime soon. Point being is a lot of people think a lot of things. Personally, I'm expecting the executive order to more so continue cracking down on crypto exchanges to keep records of their customers. Also, I wouldn't be a bit surprised if the SEC will soon be flipping the script on reclassifying cryptos from currencies to securities, so that they will end up being treated more like stocks, because let's be real, no one uses these cryptos as currency. They put dollars in hoping more people buy in so they can sell at a higher price. People talk about it all the time, how they need more people to buy in so the price goes up for them. The government sees your tweets. Believe me, they are watching what you say. But anyway, all in all, time will soon tell what this executive order is going to be all about. But there are some facts. There are some of my personal opinions. And by the way, for anyone interested In the digital currencies, make sure you download Webull and refer a friend to the app. If they go and enable crypto trading, Webull's going to give you $5 worth of a crypto of your choice between Bitcoin, Ethereum, Doge, Shib, and Cardano. Link in the description. But moving away from the digitals, we're going to get into silver and gold in just 1 second. But before we do, let's take a quick look at how the stock market is behaving today. We currently have the S&P 500 down 1.42%. We have the Dow Jones down 0.86%. And we have the NASDAQ down 2.17%. Pretty big red day across the board. This is not anything that surprises me in the slightest bit. This is actually exactly right on par with what I was expecting. I personally believe that the next 5 to 6 weeks are going to be pretty brutal. There's a lot of uncertainty in the markets right now. There's a lot of fear and doubt in the markets right now. There are a lot of people who don't know what in the world is going to be going on. None of us do, for that matter. But mid-March is going to be massive. That's when rates should be going up. The tapering should be done at that point. And right around then, we're probably going to see even more pain. But I think until then, there's going to be a lot of confusion. There's going to be a lot of people going back and forth. I think there are a lot of people looking for a bit of a safe haven right now. I think a lot of people are looking to flock to safety, if that makes sense. But considering the tech sector has been carrying the weight of the entire market for the last 2 years, let's take a quick look at how some of the biggest tech players are doing today. Tesla, which is tech on wheels, is up 1.51%. Apple is down 0.11%. And of course, we have Amazon down 6.42%. Big red day for most of the tech sector, although Tesla isn't 100% tech. Tesla's in the green today. Friendly reminder, if you want to go and get your 2 free stocks, go and download Webull and fund your account. They'll give you 2 free stocks just for doing so. And then if you refer 3 friends before February 10th, they're going to give you at least $150 worth of Amazon stock for free. Webull, link in the description. Now, moving away from stocks, moving away from the digital currencies, moving away from the tech sector, moving away from all of that, let's talk about the silver and the gold. Sitting here on screen, I said before, got a nice little selection here. But to be more specific, we have some 10-ounce bars, the Silver Gold Bull Bar, the Sunshine Bar, 5-ounce Aztec Calendar Round, Landmarks of Britain, Britannia, Krugerrand, a whole bunch of Maple Leafs up there at the top, a little 1-gram Platinum Bar right here, a 1/4-ounce Philharmonic, 10th-ounce Philharmonic, 10th-ounce Britannia, 10th-ounce Krugerrand, 10th-ounce Maple, 10th-ounce American Eagle. So a nice little selection here on display today. Silver is pretty red today. Gold isn't really doing a whole lot, and to be honest, these last couple of weeks, neither of the precious metals have been doing a whole lot, which is why there hasn't been a whole lot to talk about. Not really too much is going on in the realm of precious metals, and spot price isn't moving around a whole lot, so there's only so much I can really say. I'm pretty sure I've covered every single possible topic over the years, which is why I've been integrating some more financial news as of lately. Plus, it spices things up a little bit, and we shouldn't really be tunnel vision on silver and gold. We should be paying attention to absolutely everything, in my opinion. Even if we're not participating in these other realms, I think it's still important that we understand what's going on, whether it be the digitals or whether it be real estate, whether it be the stock market. In my opinion, I think we should be paying attention to absolutely everything. But anyway, moving forward, onto the silver and the gold, I just wanted to throw this out there that being that this video is coming out on Thursday, I will be filming a video tonight. It's going to be a Q&A video. Every week I post a Q&A video, right now anyway, the last couple of weeks. Every week I've been posting a Q&A video on Sunday. I will be filming that video tonight. So if you have any questions for me, or if you'd like to be featured in a video asking a question, go on over to last Sunday's video. It was titled something along the lines of why I'm no longer stacking pure silver, aka why I'm focusing way more of my attention on 90% silver at this point. Go on over to that video and ask away. I will be going to that comment section. I'll be running through some questions. I'll be answering them, and that will be Sunday's video. Saturday's video has already been filmed. But when it comes to the silver and the gold, by the way, that's why I have some Maple Leafs up there at the top. But when it comes to the silver and the gold, I know that I've been saying for the last couple of weeks that I believe my team has the ball, so it's probably my time to be playing offense rather than focusing on playing defense. I will continue to maintain my strengths, which is defense, by the way, so I'm going to continue stacking the silver and the gold, and I'm going to stay consistent. I'm just going to slowly coast, and little by little get some more silver every week or every other week, or at least once a month. It really depends on my schedule. I have a pretty intense schedule, so I can't really just drop things and head to the coin shop as often as I'd like. Trust me, if I could be there every day, I would, but unfortunately, sometimes I can get there only like 2 or 3 weeks apart from the last time that I visited. But that's pretty much what my game plan is going to be. I'm going to keep stacking the 90% silver, predominantly Washington quarters, but really anything I can get my hands on. I'll get the Roosevelt dimes, the Mercury dimes, whenever I can. I'll get the half dollars if possible. They usually carry a little bit higher of a premium, and that's not really what I'm interested in. I'm interested in the lowest possible premium, hence why I'm focusing on 90% at this point. I'm not worrying about the pure silver anymore at this time. I'm going to focus on the 90%. That right there is my way of financially playing defense. I consider the silver and gold, I've been saying this for a couple of years now, I consider the silver and gold to be a way of preserving wealth for the long term, and that's just my way of going about doing things. This is what I consider to be, at least in my opinion, a safer and smarter way of saving money for the long term. Completely different, very, very, very different from creating wealth, generating wealth, and building wealth. Once you create, generate, and build wealth, at that point, it's time to preserve wealth, which is where the silver and gold can potentially come in handy. That's what I'm using it for. But like I said, right now, my team has the ball, so I'm playing offense. I'm in the building stage. Once I build, I will then preserve. Right now, I don't really have a whole lot to preserve. I need to build something first before I can preserve it, so that's just kind of my mentality right now. But I'm not taking my foot off the gas when it comes to silver in any way, shape, or form. I'm just focusing on building at this point. But I want you guys to head on down to the comments and let me know anything and everything related to today's video topic. When it comes to the silver, when it comes to the gold, what stage of the game are you in? Are you playing offense right now? Are you playing defense right now? Are you building? Are you preserving? You going about 50-50? And of course, when it comes to the upcoming executive order on digital currencies, you think that's going to have an impact? Like any impact at all? Think it's going to be good? You think it's going to be bad? Head on down to the comments and let me know. If you guys like today's video, please hit that like button. Subscribe if you're new. Subscribe to my second channel for weekly videos. Go and get yourself some DYDSS merchandise to help support the channel in the biggest possible way. Got t-shirts, hoodies, stickers, and coffee mugs in a bunch of different designs. DYDSS store will be linked in the description. Come and join us in the Precious Metals VIP Club for giveaways every single month, live streams multiple times a week, deal alerts every single day. You can watch all of my videos early and commercial free, and there are a ton of other perks as well. VIP Club link in the description. And of course, last but not least, make sure to go and get your 2 free stocks by downloading Webull and funding your account. Refer 3 friends before February 10th. They're going to give you at least $150 worth of Amazon stock for free, with the chance of winning all the way up to $3,000 worth of Amazon stock for free. Webull link in the description. And I want you guys to head on down to the comments and let me know, once again, what are your thoughts on everything shared in today's video? Financially playing defense versus financially playing offense. Is that something that makes sense? That's the way I've been seeing it for the last couple of weeks. At this point, I see it as more of a sport than anything else. It's a game to me. So, at this stage in the game, my team has the ball, which means it's time to play offense. But I understand the importance of defense, which is why I'll keep defending. But when it comes to the silver, when it comes to the gold, what stage of the game are you in? And of course, when it comes to the upcoming executive order on digital currencies, what type of an impact do you believe that it'll have? Do you think it'll be a positive impact, a negative impact, or do you believe it's not going to have any impact at all? Head on down to the comments and let me know anything and everything related to today's video topic. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you tomorrow. Don't you dare stop smiling. Peace.